Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Yeah, Bonk is basically just following at the moment the roadmap that we talked about. Here on the daily chart, you can see that we have likely topped here in a third wave that was in December. And from this December third wave top, the market then, started to trend, but just move sideways basically in a wave 4, which I haven't labeled fully, but it's likely a WXY correction, which finished there. WXY. No, and then from there a fifth wave to the upside has started. It's technically possible that the larger fourth wave is still unfolding. Therefore, I leave the support area on the chart. Actually, need to call this lower support, and then that's actually the upper support area or micro support. So it's the upper support. Don't know why that was called lower support actually, but the fourth wave might have bottomed here when it obviously hit the lower support area at the 23.6 fib level here at 133.149. The most important, let's say, marker on this chart, a landmark you could say, is this 5-wave move up. I always compare like these impulses, like 5-wave movements, as a lighthouse. This here was not a 5-wave move. This here was a 5-wave move, and therefore I have some, let's say, at least clear parameters. I mean, that doesn't mean it's guaranteed that the wave 4 bottomed there and that the fifth wave started, but an impulse is usually a good signal that things are going in the right direction. Now, if we say that circle 1 completed here, that's circle 1 of wave 5, then obviously this is a 5-wave move, right? We can just sort of tidy that up a little bit. Don't need the micro count here. Looks less clogged. And then the idea is now that circle 2 has started. The first 5-wave move up, which again is the first wave of that fifth wave, which is again a 5-wave move. So it tells us there should be more there should be some more upside business that Bonk has to deal with. And the first 5-wave move up provides us with a clear support area parameters defined between 161,484 and 272,282. And the main question at the moment is, if we are in the wave 2, that's the assumption, especially, and it's been the assumption for the last few days, and it's just following the roadmap nicely. And I mentioned to you that this is going to be my assumption as long as we stay below resistance. The standard resistance range is defined between 354, 259 and 410013. And only a break above 410013 is, only a break above that range, is going to tell us that probably something more directly bullish is unfolding. Until we break above that range, the idea is that we had 5 waves down in wave A. The B wave might be unfolding right now, okay, and the B wave might have started there with the swing low here that was formed on Sunday. We briefly broke below that previous swing low, so it did actually form a nice 5-wave move down. And I think I shifted the microstructure a little bit from the last update. I did that already yesterday, but didn't make a video yesterday. Just published that on Discord. Can't remember if I also published that on X. I don't think so. By the way, if you're interested in additional updates generally across the board, mindset stuff and so on, follow us on X, X Network. You'll find a link in the description. Additional updates, all sorts of stuff you can find there. And not only crypto content, also all sorts of other mindset related stuff. The idea is now that the B wave might be unfolding, and if we're really doing a deep dive into the microstructure, then you could say that as long as we are now holding the Sunday low, which formed at 308,960, my assumption is that we get a higher or healthier B wave. I mean, this is this is a wave degree and time frame that's really not really predictable. To a degree, maybe yes. So it's all about identifying tendencies, but I would not try to predict every single wave here. But this is what I would prefer, just because we have then 5 waves down, a 3-wave rally into resistance, possibly to 369,710 or 385,835. And then from there, I'm going to watch for a reaction to the downside in wave C of 2, and then the correction could be finished there. Or alternatively, this is only going to be a larger A wave. Then we get a larger B wave and then a larger C wave. That would create a longer range bound movement. But as long as we are holding, so we need to see if the price can generate an impulse after the next low in wave C of 2. If the rally is only corrective, then yeah, we might need to prepare for another dip. There will be support areas to watch and so on, which would then confirm the start of circle C to the downside. But I'm going to start to watch for a substantial low as soon as we come down into this support area and get close to finishing yellow wave C. That's my update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.